Welcome to Bestsellers Market, the ultimate destination for discovering top-rated products that are making waves in the market. Today, we're diving into a thrilling countdown, one that takes us beneath the surface and into the world of underwater photography. Whether you're an adventurer capturing the mysteries of the deep or a thrill seeker looking to immortalize your aquatic escapades, this countdown is for you. We've scoured Amazon's bestsellers, and now we're bringing you the top underwater photography products that are redefining how we capture life beneath the waves. So, without further ado, let's plunge right in and explore the gear that's taking the underwater photography world by storm. In the world of underwater photography, where every detail matters, you need gear that doesn't just keep up, but excels. Introducing the FitStill Double Lock Waterproof Housing for GoPro Hero 2018 7, 6, and 5 Black. This is more than just a case, it's your shield against the unpredictable, your gateway to capturing the ocean's depths with unmatched clarity. What makes it stand out? The double lock system. This isn't just a feature, it's a fortress, ensuring that even in the face of accidental bumps or jolts, your GoPro stays secure, ready to shoot at a moment's notice. Designed specifically for the GoPro Hero Black series, this housing isn't just a one-size-fits-all solution. It's precision-crafted to hug your camera with a fit so snug, you'll forget it's there, until you see the results. Crisp, sharp, and vibrant imagery, whether you're plunging into the deep or riding the waves. Let's talk about the build. Constructed with PMMA material, this housing isn't just waterproof, it's dive-proof, surf-proof, adventure-proof. You're covered up to 45 meters below the surface, where the ocean's mysteries await. And here's where the magic happens. The 0.4-inch larger, 35% thicker housing. This isn't just about durability, it's about image sharpness, with a large flat glass lens designed to capture the tiniest details, whether you're above water or diving into the blue. But it's not just the product, it's the peace of mind that comes with it. With a lifetime warranty and 24/7 customer support, you're not just buying a case, you're investing in confidence. For the underwater photographer who demands excellence, the FitStill Double Lock Waterproof Housing isn't just an accessory, it's your essential companion. Dive deep, capture everything. Get ready to dive into the next level of underwater photography with the AKASO EK7000 Pro 4K action camera. This isn't just a camera, it's your ticket to capturing every thrill, every splash, every breathtaking moment beneath the waves. The AKASO EK7000 Pro is an upgrade, not just in name but in performance. Imagine filming in 4K at 30 frames per second, or snapping 20-megapixel photos with such precision, every droplet, every ripple, every vibrant color is captured in stunning clarity. This is where technology meets artistry. But what sets it apart? The 2-inch IPS touchscreen, a window into your world. Bright, clear, intuitive. With just a swipe, you can change settings, switch shooting modes, or preview your latest footage. It's about being in control, effortlessly. Now let's talk action. The AKASO EK7000 Pro is built with Electronic Image Stabilization, so whether you're surfing the waves or diving into the deep, your videos stay smooth and steady. No more shaky footage, just pure cinematic quality. And when it comes to underwater adventures, this camera is ready to go deep, 131 feet deep to be exact. Equipped with an upgraded waterproof case, this action camera isn't just water resistant. It's designed to thrive under pressure. Swimming, snorkeling, diving, this camera goes wherever you dare to venture. Flexibility is key, and with the adjustable view angle, you have the power to frame your shot just the way you want it. Choose between super wide, medium, and narrow angles to capture the scene exactly as you envision it. Close-ups, wide vistas, it's all at your fingertips. For the adventurer, the thrill seeker, the storyteller, this isn't just a camera. The AKASO EK7000 Pro is your companion, your tool, your way of bringing the underwater world to life. Dive in, explore, and capture it all. When you're pushing the boundaries of adventure, you need gear that can keep up. Gear like the GoPro protective housing for the Hero 11, Hero 10, and Hero 9 Black. This isn't just a housing, it's armor for your camera, built to withstand the elements while you capture the extraordinary. Whether you're diving deep into the ocean or kicking up dust on a rugged trail, This housing shields your GoPro from mud, dirt, and debris. It's designed for those who don't just dip their toes in adventure, they dive in head first. And speaking of diving, with waterproof protection down to an astonishing 196 feet, this housing is your passport to the depths, perfect for capturing the wonders of deep water exploration. But protection is only part of the story. The front LCD screen remains fully accessible, so you can easily frame your shot or check your settings without missing a beat. And for those moments when sound matters as much as the visuals, the included skeleton backdoor enhances audio capture while still offering easy access to the touchscreen. What about the visuals? The flat glass lens ensures that whether you're above the surface or exploring underwater worlds, your images are sharp, your videos crisp, and your memories vibrant. This is more than just a GoPro accessory. It's a gateway to capturing life at its most intense, its most thrilling, its most unforgettable. Whether you're facing the elements or diving into the unknown, the GoPro protective housing is your essential companion, making sure nothing stands between you and the perfect shot. Are you enjoying the plunge into the best-selling underwater photography gear on Amazon? Well, don't let these amazing finds swim away. Make a splash by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss the next big wave. For those who refuse to compromise on adventure, meet the FitStill 60M/196 FT waterproof case, designed specifically for your GoPro Hero 12, Hero 11, Hero 10, and Hero 9 Black. This isn't just a protective case, it's your ticket to exploring the depths and capturing the wonders that lie beneath the surface. Imagine diving to depths of 196 feet with your GoPro, confident that not a single drop will breach the fortress of this case. Thanks to its upgraded waterproof sealing ring and tight buckle, you can explore the deep blue without a second thought. Your camera stays dry, your footage stays clear, and your memories remain vivid. This case is crafted from premium PMMA material, known for its durability and resilience. Whether you're navigating coral reefs, surfing towering waves, or snorkeling in crystal clear waters, this housing is built to endure, ensuring your camera is as adventurous as you are. What about the visuals? The large flat glass lens is where the magic happens. It's engineered to deliver maximum image sharpness, so your underwater shots aren't just good, they're breathtaking. Every detail, every color, every moment is captured with the clarity and brilliance it deserves. And with the lifetime warranty backing your purchase, you're not just getting a case, you're investing in peace of mind. If something goes wrong, you're covered. And with 24/7 customer service, help is always just a call away. This case is designed for the bold, the curious, the explorers of the unknown. It's not just an accessory, it's an essential part of your adventure gear. With the FitStill waterproof case, there's no limit to where you can take your GoPro, and no limit to the stories you can tell. Dive deep, capture everything, and make every moment unforgettable. And here we are, at the pinnacle of underwater photography, the #1 bestseller that has captured the hearts of adventurers everywhere, the AKASO EK7000 4K action camera. This isn't just another camera on the market, it's a revolution in how we capture the world beneath the waves. The AKASO EK7000 doesn't just record moments, it preserves them in stunning 4K Ultra HD. With video capabilities of 30 frames per second and crisp 20 megapixel photos, every shot you take is a testament to the incredible clarity and resolution that only this camera can deliver. Imagine capturing 4 times the detail of traditional HD cameras. Every ripple, every sunbeam filtering through the water, every vibrant color of marine life, all preserved with breathtaking precision. But this camera isn't just about visuals, it's about action. Equipped with Electronic Image Stabilization, it ensures your footage is smooth and steady, no matter how fast you're moving or how dynamic the environment. Whether you're diving into the depths or chasing the thrill of a wave, your videos will be as stable as the memories they capture. Speaking of depths, this camera is waterproof up to 131 feet. Encased in a durable waterproof housing, the AKASO EK7000 is built to thrive in the most extreme conditions. From underwater explorations to rugged outdoor adventures, this camera is your steadfast companion, ready to go wherever your journey takes you. Control at your fingertips, literally. With the wireless wrist remote, you can frame your shots, start recording, and capture photos with ease. all from your wrist. It's convenience redefined, allowing you to interact with your camera in ways that feel natural and intuitive. And when the adventure is over, sharing your experiences is just as thrilling. With built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI, you can quickly edit and share your footage through the AKASO Go app. Connect to your phone or tablet, and in minutes, your story is out there for the world to see. The AKASO EK7000 isn't just an action camera. It's a gateway to capturing life's most exhilarating moments with clarity, stability, and ease. It's the tool that lets you dive deeper, explore further, and share more. For those who live for adventure, this is the camera that doesn't just keep up, it leads the way. Dive in and let the AKASO EK7000 take you places you've never been before. We hope you loved our countdown of the best-selling underwater photography gear on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we featured today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.